Yan.
Please come and visit Shambala.
Yeah.
Hello, Jen.
Welcome everyone sa Shambala.
Hello.
Yan.
Please come and visit Shambala.
Yeah.
Where we have a restaurant, art center, a labyrinth.
Yeah.
If you go past.
Later, titignan natin yung mga places. Pakita natin sa inyo. Shambala Silang.
So,
ano name nitong garden, Inang?
This is the Labyrinth of Shambala. I call this journey to oneself or pagtawid sa sarili, because alone you can meditate here and you can find yourself.
Meditation walkway ito. You can meditate and pray while walking. Barefoot, di ba, Ninang? Kung kaya.
So that you will have parang grounding experience. Kasi for some people, it's really healing for them. Kasi it's also good if you walk sa grass.
Yes.
So you can feel the earth.
Pa-recharge yung body. This is a lumang bagong bahay ni Ninang, built from scratch. Second floor ito.
We use the old design to depict a Filipino house na parang mapapakita natin na hindi mo naman kailangan na may lumang bahay na gibiin, but you can build new ones using old design and some old pieces from old houses, and it will look like this.
So lahat itong buong house from scratch.
Yes.